there. Walk. Ava, walk. Get out there. Get away from us. Good job, good job, good job. Atta girly. Wait a minute, these aren't sheep. Keep pointing. Where am I supposed to be? Just catch them for you. It's fine. You can walk around. Get back. Atta girl. Eat him up. Good girl. Get up, get up. Get her off her feet. Good girl. Get up, get up. Good girl. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Atta girl.
Carol,
Good
quiet.
for you.
Quiet.
Woohoo! Good girl. We just letting her do whatever right now? Letting her do whatever. Good girl, ABA. Good girl. Get him up, get him up. Get him up. You get the right foot this time, dummy. Go the other way. Don't go with the cars. Let Daisy take the cars. Woohoo! Good girl.
Slick, quiet.
Get him up, get him up.
Quiet.
Where is she? She's right there. She's just trying to figure out where you're going to be. Baby. Yeah, good girl. Get it. Good girl. That's it. She could do with some of that corner work that was that practicing. Good girl. Well, I don't know. What do you want me to do? Or just take her out and try it later? You're fine. No, we'll do it later. We're not going to do that. Good girl.
Lie down.
Good girl. Now make sure she doesn't go the same way every time away to me. Atta girl. Good for you. I don't know where you are. Yay. Walk.
I'm sorry.
Back. Good dog. Good dog. Get. Atta girl. Get.
Quiet.
Right there. Good girl. Don't let her just walk. There. Pull her up. That'll do. Ava. Wait a minute. Lay her down. Lie down.